Two birds perched in light soft glow, feathers gleam a radiant show. Crystal crowns and shimmering hues, dreams take flight in vibrant blues. Whispered secrets on the breeze, songs of love that never cease. Dancing stars in twilight's frame, echoes calling out our name. Underneath the silver sky, wings of wonder lifting high, painting rainbows with each turn. In this magic we all yearn. Golden rays at morning break, songs of hope make hearts awake. Feathers ruffled by the storm, yet in chaos they stay warm. Stars reflecting in their eyes, silent blinks as daybreak sighs. Bound by beauty